Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, our podcast. We've literally shot over 750 videos and we do a live every single week. It's where America goes for funding, guys, for the last 20 years. You deal with me directly and my team right here in Texas. We're a nationwide commercial and residential lender. And one of the things that we're staying focused on is student loan debt. It's a big thing right now on Capitol Hill. It's a big thing in America, student loan debt. And especially if you're trying to buy a house or you're trying to get a mortgage, home loan, is student loan debt. And so one of the things we're going to talk about today, if you had $100,000 in student loan debt, could you get a home loan? That's the question. So the average American right now has over $70,000 in student loan debt. That's huge. When I went to school, I racked up about $30,000 in student loan debt. And I was nervous about that. And now I'm seeing people that I see, whenever we look at home loans, we look at thousands of people's applications every single year, and we're seeing everything from $100,000, $200,000, $50,000, $80,000, but the average right now is $70,000 in student loan debt. And so we had one of our viewers last night on the live say, "Hey Angelo, if I had $100,000 in student loan debt, could I actually get a home loan?" And I said, you know what? I said, the guy's name was Scott that asked me the question. I said, Scott, it depends. Right? And so I wanted to answer this and make a video about it because a lot of people have student loan debt and they've gotten denied for a home loan. You saw recently I've done a podcast about President Biden talking about some of the changes that they're going to be making for student loan debt and how it's calculated into your debt to income ratio when you're getting a home loan. Right now for FHA loans, for example, they take 1% of your balance and multiply that to determine your monthly payment for your student loan debt. And that is atrocious. And it makes it extremely difficult to get approved for a home loan with that type of calculation. Thankfully, like the VA and conventional loans, you can use an income-based payment plan, and that's what I recommend and prefer. And it looks like the FHA is going to be shifting and adopting that policy for FHA loans as well, which is going to allow many more millions of people to qualify for a home loan. So to answer your question, as of today, making this video, it's the summer of 2021. If you're getting a conventional loan, you could get a home loan with $100,000 in student loan debt, provided that you were in an income-based payment plan and your monthly payment made sense, or you're in a deferral and your student loans are deferred for at least a year from the time that you close on your loan. But if you're making a payment of $1,000 a month, that's going to eat into what you qualify for and what you can get approved for your home loan. So the thing is that now, if you're trying to get an FHA loan as of today, and the new policy hasn't gone into effect, and if you had $100,000 in student loan debt, that would be $1,000 a month that has to go into your debt to income ratio calculation. So that could really impede on your purchasing power. The national average for a home right now is $300,000. So if you're earning wages of about $60,000, you would not be able to buy a $300,000 home if you had a $1,000 a month student loan payment. The most that you could probably qualify is about a $200,000 home, which is what essentially price you out of the market because you probably couldn't find a house. So I would say, let's wait for Biden to put this new change into effect. If you have a big student loan debt and you're getting an FHA loan, if you're getting a conventional loan or a VA loan, you should be okay now to be able to buy a house, even if you have a $100,000 student loan debt and you're in an income-based repayment plan. If you're in an income-based repayment plan, you should be okay and you should be able to qualify for VA or conventional. For FHA, if you have a moderate income and you have a big student loan debt, it could be challenging right now to get a home loan. And you might need to wait until that new law goes into effect, which is supposed to go into effect sometime this fall, 2021. I don't know when it's going to go out or when that's going to change, but when it does, it could be huge benefits for home buyers. So anyway, I hope that helps answer the question. If you had $100,000 in student loan debt, can you get a home loan? And yes, you can, but it depends on your situation and what's going on. So thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian. If you know anyone that has student loans, share this video with them. We do have a plethora of videos on our channel. Over 750 videos. We've been doing this for over 20 years. We are where America goes for funding, the premier lender. Call or text us at the number above, 832-431-6333. We have all different types of programs: jumbo, FHA, VA, hard money, USDA, conventional, construction. We're here to help you to serve and make a difference. You can also click on the link below to get signed up to get pre-approved for your home loan in the YouTube description. Give us a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian, and check out my next video. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.